Welcome back to Nicetown Curtains. Today we'll show you how to hang curtains and some tips for maintaining them. It's swift and practical. Just follow us. To begin installing your curtain rod, you need to determine the rod's position. You can try hanging your curtains closer to the ceiling to make your windows look more extensive and artistic. We also recommend the rod be placed 8 to 12 inches wider than the window's width and 4 inches higher above the window frame. And once you've determined the position of the rod, the rest becomes much easier. First, remove the finials from the curtain rod and thread the panel onto the rod. For grommet curtains, take the right side of the panel. Thread the curtain rod through the front side of the first grommet, then thread it through the back of the second grommet. Repeat with the rest of the grommets. And then we can hang up the curtain. Just hold the curtain rod so that the front of the curtain is facing you. Then center the rod above the window and fasten it to the brackets. Finally, screw the finials on either end of the curtain rod. That's it, we're done. Usually when you take your curtains out of the package, you need to iron or steam first to smooth out any creases and wrinkles. Well, it's not a necessary step for Nicetown curtains. Our curtains are made of anti-wrinkle fabric and most wrinkles will fall out in 1 to 2 weeks of hanging. But if you want your curtains to look perfect immediately, you can follow these steps to steam and dress. Starting at the top, place your hands on either side of the roll and slowly follow the folds of the curtain from top to bottom. Move across the curtain, making sure the fold of the rolls is evenly spaced. You should always use a low steam setting when possible. Steam your curtains from the backside and keep a 1 to 1.5 inch distance between the steamer and the fabric to prevent damaging it. If the head of the steamer touches the fabric, water stains will form on the curtain, so be careful. When tackling a deep wrinkle, you could spray some water on the wrinkle, which will soften and make it easier to steam. For curtains and draperies, it is optimal to do a deep cleaning every 3 to 6 months. Our products are machine washable and it will be very convenient. Now all steps are done. We've got a clean line curtain. Compared to indoor curtains, outdoor curtains can be much larger and heavier, which can cause hanging outdoor curtains to be complicated and time-consuming. Here we recommend Velcro tab top curtains. They're super easy to install and you can do it by yourself. First, extend the curtain rod to a suitable length and settle it inside the 2 pillars of the pergola. Then attach the hook side and loop side of the Velcro around the rod. Repeat the action until finished. A quick and easy way to enjoy private luxury in your own backyard. Our professionals are more than happy to help you at any time.